The world is going through hard times, and it's expected that the global economy will be in recession in the coming years. A lot of people are worried about the economy and their financial future, but the good news is that there are still opportunities to make money, and Amazon FBA is one of them. So if you're looking for a way to earn extra income or start a business, then keep on watching. If you're not familiar with Amazon FBA, it stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and it's a great way for you to sell products on Amazon without having to handle inventory or shipping yourself. This is an amazing business model for anyone who wants to start an online business and make money from home. So let's dive in. First, why is Amazon FBA a great business model, especially during a recession? The first reason is that more and more people are shopping online, and this trend is only going to stay. With the pandemic, people are becoming more used to shopping online, and especially the fast shipping offered by Amazon. In fact, e-commerce sales are expected to reach $6.5 trillion by 2023. Not only that, 76% of people in the United States shop online and 37.8% of them shop on Amazon. I believe this goes without saying that you are sleeping on a great opportunity if you're not starting an e-commerce business on Amazon. The second reason is that it's relatively easy to get started. You don't need to have a physical store, and you don't even need to have your own website. All you need to do is find products to sell, and Amazon takes care of the rest. They handle the inventory, shipping, and customer service. All you have to do is focus on finding great products to sell. The third reason why Amazon FBA is a great business model is that it's scalable. You can start small and gradually increase your inventory as you grow your business. You can also sell products in multiple categories, so you're not limited to just one niche. This means that there's a lot of potential for growth even during a recession. Now that you know why Amazon FBA is a great business model, let's talk about how exactly you can start an Amazon FBA business this year to make money. The first step to success on Amazon FBA is to find a profitable niche. You want to sell products that people want to buy and are willing to pay for. There are many ways to find a profitable niche, but here are a few. You want to look for products that have high demand but low competition. You want to use product research tools such as Helium10 to see which products are selling well and which ones have little competition. These tools provide data and insights on product demand, competition, and profitability, which can help you make informed decisions on which products to sell. For example, let's say you're interested in fitness. You can search for fitness products such as home workout equipment on Amazon.com and use Helium10 to check the existing sellers' pricing, revenues, review count, and so on. This way you can get all the important indicators to get an idea about if this product will sell well and not have too much competition. It's good to keep in mind that customers tend to be more price sensitive and may prioritize essential items over luxury products in a recession. So you want to focus more on day-to-day items such as home products, personal care items, pet supplies, and so on. So really anything that's recession-proof and in high demand regardless of the state of the economy. You also want to look for products that have good profit margins. Helium10 has this profitability calculator feature that can give you a quick glance at the product's manufacturing cost, Amazon fees, and will give you the estimated profit margin and return on investment. So you know for sure the product you're choosing will make you money. It will also help if you look for products that you have a general interest in. You will be spending a lot of time on your Amazon FBA business, so it's helpful to choose a niche that you are interested in and enjoy working on. Before moving on to the next step, I wanted to share with you that I have a free masterclass where you can learn the 4-step framework to a profitable Amazon FBA business. Even if you're brand new to e-commerce, don't know what products to sell, or don't have a ton of money to invest, the link to sign up is in the description box below. After finding your winning product, you then need to source the product from a reliable supplier and ship the product to the Amazon warehouse in the US. A great platform for finding suppliers is Alibaba. Most Amazon FBA sellers source from there, and I personally love the platform too. You can simply type in the product name in the search bar and a ton of suppliers will pop up for you to choose. The quality of your product is crucial to the success of your Amazon FBA business, so it's very important to source your products from a reliable reliable supplier who provide high quality products consistently. How you can pick the best supplier is obviously to do some research on your supplier. Look for the supplier's rating, customer reviews, past transaction history, and so on, which you can have easy access to on their company page on Alibaba. You can also ask for references from the supplier and check them. Another great way is to actually order samples. Before placing a large order, it's important to request samples from the supplier to test the quality of their products in person. I know a lot of people might worry about creating their own brand for Amazon FBA. It's actually a lot easier than you might think. It basically involves picking a brand name, creating a logo, packaging design, listing images, and product listing. There's websites such as namelicks.com that can generate compelling business names using AI for you in seconds. And you can also pay around $100 for a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork to design your brand logo, packaging, and product images. So don't worry about that at all if you don't know or don't want to handle the technical side of branding. After your product is manufactured, you can then work with the freight forwarder who takes care of everything from shipping to duties and taxes to ship your inventory to an Amazon warehouse in the US. Usually Amazon will tell you the exact address of the warehouse you should send to, and later they will distribute the products across the country, so you don't have to worry too much about that. All you need to do is to find a great freight company. The next step to success on Amazon FBA is to launch your product on Amazon. After you have your inventory at the Amazon warehouse, you can then launch your product and start generating sales. The good thing about Amazon FBA is that you won't need to do much marketing because Amazon already has millions of loyal customers who are ready to make purchases. All you need to do is just to create a product listing on Amazon and invest in some PPC or pay-per-click campaigns, which are Amazon's own paid ads, to gain more exposure and generate sales velocity. After you have some reviews and sales history on Amazon, you will be able to rank on the first page and consistently bring in sales and profit. From this point on, you're really making passive income because after your product is live on Amazon and your product is in demand and is being searched for often, all the sales are generated on autopilot. Amazon packs and ships your order to the customers in 1 to 2 days, and you just relax and get paid. There's really minimal effort after you launch your product. You simply need to monitor your PPC ads and reorder your inventory. And the amazing part is once you are familiar with the process, you can keep on launching more and more products to build your passive income stream. The sky is not even the limit. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how to make money with Amazon FBA this year, you can sign up for my free masterclass on the 4-step framework to a profitable Amazon FBA business. You will learn the step-by-step blueprint that helped me to earn more than $15,000 a month with Amazon FBA. The link is in the description box below. I also have a free Amazon FBA guide that walks you through the process of starting a profitable Amazon FBA business. You can also grab that via the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.